Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel TechPalla. So in today's video we are going to see what are the best Windows 11 hidden settings. The first Windows 11 hidden setting is to find out how to create remove show more options in the context menu. So when you are doing File Explorer, so when you right click it, it will show more options. You can remove that more options and display the context menu as it is by using this tweak. So this is a registry tweak. So just copy the whole command here and paste it in the command window as an administrator helps. So here it's successfully implemented. So now we open the File Explorer. So once the File Explorer open, here you can see that when you right click any of the folders, all the options are seen here. You can see here all the options are seen here without clicking the show more options. In another window, let's see. So let's see here. So when you click any file, you can see all the options. Now let's see some more video hidden features. So this is a snapshot. So all the shortcuts. So plus Ctrl V. Then you can open the emoji settings. You can add it. So you can add the emojis. So these are other type of emojis. This is another screenshot. This is another screenshot for GIFs. Here you can do speech for settings for speech. This is another hidden feature. The taskbar personalization is one of the features which you can enable it. The focus feature is another feature. You can enable that also. You can go through it. The colors which are here, you can see the dark mode. You can make it light mode. These are the video captions. If you want, you can see under accessibility captions. So this is File Explorer view hidden features. So all the